Hello everyone. This is our fully automatic fin tube threading machine. This equipment is mainly used for the threading of household air conditioner fins. Single-layer and multi-layer fin tubes can be automatically threaded. This equipment requires the use of our matching fully automatic tube bending machine and automatic tube bending collection machine. This equipment requires the use of our matching fully automatic tube bending machine and automatic tube bending collection machine. Other types of tube bending machines cannot be used, nor can long U-bends be aligned and flattened by manual flattening. Because each long U-bend needs to be shaped and expanded at the mouth of the long U-bend in addition to flattening and alignment, so that the needle pair in the tube threading machine can be quickly and accurately inserted into the inner hole of the copper tube to complete the smooth fin tube threading. For more exciting videos, please click on the lower right corner and follow our channel.